Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the table range and what you want back. Enter equals index, range, row num, col num in the cell where you need the result. If you know the row number, type it. If not, combine match to find that row. Once done, make sure the range excludes headers and uses absolute references like $1.2, $D $100 so copying works. This step avoids off-by-one errors and readies the formula for the next complex part. Now you build the dynamic lookup. Use match for the row or column position. For example, index $B $2, $E $100, match $G $2, $2, $100, 0, match $G $3, B $1, E $1, 0. This returns the intersection of found row and column. Make sure each match uses exact match 0 to avoid nearest value surprises. Also lock ranges with $. To finish, copy the formula and wrap it. For index not found to present clean output. Make sure column headers align and ranges are consistent when you copy across rows or down columns. Adjust $references accordingly. If you hit hash and /a, first check that match found the correct value and that numbers aren't stored as text. One key troubleshooting tip. Use evaluate formula step by step to see which sub-expression fails and fix the range or data type causing the error.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.